Yeah, so guys, remember I told you we couldn't put on the outside lights, this light over here. Yeah, so we just finished this morning, day 3. How cool is this? Look at the other one over there and then look at this one. Just imagine. You should see this in the night. I wish we could stay here today in the night, but so let's go check the outside one out too. Okay, so this is the outside end. That is the bulb over there. So as you can see, we were wondering whether to put it in the dining or the kitchen, but you know, we had other design lines, so we had to put it here. What do you think? How straight is this? How accurate this is? This one was fixed by Mr. Michael, my colleague here working. So this is it. Let's put it on and see how it works. Yeah, so it's on. See, first color. It also has 3 colors: white, warm, and then you just see for yourself. White, warm, white, and then the warm combination. Yeah. I mean, you should see this in the night. It's very beautiful. It makes some designs at the top. Yeah, and it's. I mean, it's very nice. Some of you should be on site with me when recording here, so that we can test some of these cool stuffs out. I mean, I wonder who does all these things, like the India, China, US. I don't know where it's from, but I think you guys manufacturing are doing the best. Like, you are bringing the best out of everything. I mean, I love all these things. You know, it's my work. You know, I like doing this. Yeah. How cool is this? It's like almost like an Audi Audi sign, but you know, it's nice. It's nice. You should see this in the night. Not forgetting the outside light as well. We had to do this one. Very small body here. We had to do it outside. The sun is very scorchy here. You know, in Ghana. What else? If not the sun, the rain. So yeah, we have this. I think there's 7 of them. And let me take you through. These ones we haven't connected them here because we are not sure whether we will be putting them on or off, because the person is not yet currently staying in the house. So why should we put in this light? But it's cool to have it, so I'm about to video that one. Sorry, that one won't be put on because we haven't fixed the switches and all those stuff yet, but we've connected the cables and everything. So pardon me for this one. The first one, I don't know how many of you have seen this one, but it shoots up and it shoots down. Some comes with 4 mouths, some shoots like this, and this. Some other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or so. Yeah, some have 8 and stuff. So it's cool. The 5th one. Yeah. And these are the fans. Short blade. Short blade fans. I think the other one too here, so. Yeah, so guys, remember I told you we couldn't put on the outside lights, this light over here. Yeah, so we just finished this morning, day 3. We just finished this, so let's go check it out. How cool is this? Look at the other one over there and then look at this one. Just imagine. It has only one color. I think that's the warm. Yeah, I like it. You should see this in the night. I wish we could stay here today in the night, but anytime we are done, we have to go home and yeah, so like we said, we finished fixing the sports lights. So 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth one with this little fan over here. Let's put it on and see how it is. This is the fan regulator. This is the highest. And you change it to the lowest. When I want to put it off, just go this way. And it's off. Another light.
Alice, what you do like to do? I'm a woman. I can tell you for following the swimming and everything. Alice, for crying out now, this is movement. Is this the reason you never want to come?
What problem, man? What